Can a Coursera Google Certificate actually help you get a job? You've probably seen people say it changed their life and others say it's useless. In this video, I'll break down what it can realistically do, what it can't, and how to use it the smart way to improve your chances. Quick heads up, Coursera Plus Annual is currently discounted to $80 for the whole year for a limited time offer, so if you're planning to finish multiple courses or certificates, that can be one of the cheapest legit options. Here's the honest answer. A Google certificate on Coursera can help, but it's not a magic ticket. It works best as proof that you learned practical skills, followed a structured program, and stayed consistent. But if you finish the certificate and stop there, it might not be enough on its own, because employers usually want proof you can actually do the work. It helps the most if you're starting from zero or switching careers because it gives you a clear path without guessing what to study. It can also help you stand out from people who only claim they have skills, especially for entry-level roles because it shows you completed job-focused training. Most employers don't hire just because of a certificate, they hire because they believe you can perform. So the smartest move is to treat the certificate as your foundation, then immediately build something you can show. Your LinkedIn profile, your resume, and a small portfolio with project examples matter a lot because that's what proves you're ready. To get interviews, you also need to talk about the certificate the right way. Don't just say you watched a course, explain what skills you learned and how you use them. If the program included hands-on assignments, highlight the results and be ready to explain them clearly in interviews. Two common mistakes are thinking you need 10 certificates before applying and applying with no proof of work outside the course. If you finish one Google certificate, build a couple of small projects, and apply consistently, you'll usually get better results than endlessly collecting certificates. If you want to check the Google certificates included in Coursera Plus and see the cheapest official pricing in your country, I'll put my link in the description.